So question number 12 is the following data set a time series. So the description is the number of cases of flu reported by the CDC each week during a flu season. We know a time series is a variable being measured at regular time intervals. So regular time intervals. So this description is about the number of cases measured at each week. So it is time series because the number is measured each week. Number 13, we get a data set. We need to calculate the range, sample variance, and standard deviation. Let's open the data in the StatCrunch. Okay, so let's go to Stat, Summary Stat, and Columns. And there, let's click this column. And then under the statistics, let's select the functions we need. So the variance, that's for part B question, and standard deviation for part C, and where is the range? Okay, we scroll down. Okay, here we have the range. Okay, then let's click compute. We get the variance, standard deviation, and the range. Next question, let me close this. Next question, number 14, is about this advantage and disadvantage of using range. Okay, we know the range is easy to calculate. Okay, so we only need to get the smallest number and the largest number in your dataset and calculate the difference between those two numbers to get the range. But it's really easy to be affected by extreme values. For example, most of the data in our datasets are around 13, okay? But there's only one extreme value, which is 100. Then if we want to calculate the range, it's going to be 100 minus the smallest value, say 12. Okay, so 100 minus 12 is going to be 88. So the range is 88, but the most of the data are around 13. Only one number is 100, which is far away from the majority of the data. So using range is not a good option in this case. So it's really easy to be affected by extreme values. So number 15, we are given a data table, and we need to create a scatter plot. So let's open the data table in the StatCrunch. Let's click graph, scatter plot, and click scatter plot. The x variable is the number of salespeople working, and the y variable is the sales. And then let's click compute, so we get the scatter plot. Then let's compare our scatter plot with the 4 options, and we will see which one is correct. So the A is correct. So part B, the direction of the association, because one variable increases, the other variable also increases. So that means the association is positive. The part C, the form, and we know all the data points are around one linear line, so it's a linear. So let's scroll down and see the strength of the relationship. If we have a linear line here, we know all the points are around this virtual linear line, so the strength of the relationship is very strong. And do we have any outliers? We know outliers are the data points that are far away from the majority of data, and we do not see any outliers in this question.